Considering the fact that cancer cells thrive on sugar, numerous people believe that the combination of honey or maple syrup and baking soda is harmful. However, multiple experts in the last 6 decades have investigated this and have shown that it is absolutely not true. It is true that cancer cells thrive on sugar, but this combination acts as a Trojan horse. To clarify this, combining and heating sodium bicarbonate and honey results in a mixture in which the sugar serves to target the cancer cells, and the baking soda enters them and destroys them. Its alkalinity either destroys the cancer microbe, or reverts it to its hibernation form, inside the affected cell, reversing it to normal, or causes a rapid shift of the pH will completely kill it. This sudden transition to alkalinity provides more oxygen than cells are able to tolerate, and cancer is cured or reversed prior to the sugary delivery which may support the cancer growth. Preparation. All you need to do is to mix these 2 ingredients. A teaspoon of baking soda for every tablespoon of honey, as the needed ratio is 1 to 3. This will be enough for a week. Cook the mixture on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes, and do not store it in the fridge afterward. Use. You should take a teaspoon of this mixture on a daily basis 1-3 times daily, for a month or 2. Make sure you do not take it too close to mealtimes. After 30 days of consuming this remedy, the pH in your body will be balanced and the body becomes extremely alkaline. Additionally, you should make some important changes in your regular diet, reduce the intake of meat, and avoid white flour and sugar. This amazing treatment will undoubtedly provide amazing effects.